Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to clean out my garden beds and I am going to plant my potatoes. I have them right there in that green container. The air conditioner is on and a plane is going by, so hopefully y'all can hear me. But I have to first clean the bed out and then we'll plant the potatoes. So let me do that first. The sun is bright. It's not raining today, so I can't take y'all out there because it will overheat. But I might put my phone on the tripod on the porch and see if it won't get hot over here. Probably will because it's 80 degrees, but we'll try that. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. I'm getting ready to plant my potatoes. I put 2 trenches in this bed. I'm gonna make 3, but since I got some on the front row, I can't make the 3rd one. I got some old potatoes that got some things on them. They sprouted. I bought these for Easter, I think. But so we're just gonna lay them in these trenches. Without killing myself first, let me move this. Nobody want to be tripping over no hole. So we're gonna face them up. I fertilized this bed with some organic compost, the mushroom compost, and that, what is it, some earth, whatever I've been using in the other ones. I put it on the screen because I don't remember, but that's what I put in here. So I also got some potatoes from last year that I grew. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but 8. I put 8 on this back row. And then whatever I can get. I ain't got but 2 left in this bag. So y'all see it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But these other potatoes are old and dried up. But I promise you, they still grow. I'm put the whites on the back, and then on that front row, I'm gonna do one front row of reds. So that's what I got. They dried out, but they got sprouts on them. And as long as they got sprouts, they'll grow. Because you can grow potatoes from just the peel alone. So let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one more yellow. 8. I put 9. That's red. So see, we have it here, the 2 rows. Those are the ones that I just got from the grocery store for Easter. And then these little small ones are from last year. And then I got 2 up at the front from this. So we have those. And we're going to cover them up. We're just pushing the dirt down over top of them. And we're gonna leave this heel in the middle because that's what we're gonna heal them up with once the green pop up. Do the same thing with these. Just cover them. And that's it. They're covered up. And now we're gonna make a third row right there. So, okay. I don't wanna mess it up too much. And we got beets in front of this, so I don't want to mess up the beets. And then we also already have a potato in here. So, and it should be growing potatoes. So, alright, that's it. Yeah, we have those red ones, so we're just gonna put as many as we can get. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we put 9 in here. And I'm gonna push this way so they don't mess up my beets. And they're gonna want to stick that way down here on the end. Alright. We got all we're gonna put in here. And we're gonna go get some water. I'm gonna water them in. The ground is moist because it has rained for 5 straight days. Not consistently, but every day. So, we're gonna water in the trenches. I need some potash. Don't have any. So, I'm gonna order some. Then when they come up, I'm gonna put some on this dirt I'm gonna heal them with. And that's gonna be it. That's everything for this bed. Hopefully don't nothing come and dig them up. Probably should push this dirt on over them. Because they'll find their way up. They really will. Look at that. I don't know where he go. I'm just gonna put him in the middle. I don't know where he came from. Alright. Let that's it. Maybe it just fell. I don't know. Well, that's it. I do. What was I getting ready to say? I don't know, I forgot. But, let's see. Alright. I'm not going to plant any more potatoes. I'm just going to have what's in this bed, which is where I planted last year. And then also, I have these that I planted here in this bed. And that's it. Because I'm not even need no potatoes with diabetes. But I have them. And then I did put some additional green beans here in this bed. Some were on top of the ground from the hard rain, like you can see. Oh, nope, that's not one, but there was a couple on here. I pushed them back down. I think I might need to get them a little bit more water, even though they had some. And those are the Brussels sprouts that I pulled up from this bed. So I don't know how the beets gonna do now that they don't have the Brussels sprouts. Giving them a little bit of shade, but we'll see. We still have these 3 that's getting big. And then we have a few. These are radishes, watermelon radishes, and then I planted a whole bunch of beets. So we have them all going across there. So that's it. All right, it is hot out here. It's the first day that we got 80s in a minute, probably over a week. We got 80 degrees, so I am happy about that, but it's hot and I'm sweating. And I'm gonna carry my tail in the house, edit this video and load it. Hopefully I'm not making y'all dizzy. But that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. While you watch me plant my potatoes, I'm going to put my stuff back up so I don't crawl in my bins from my fertilizer and soil and stuff that I have out. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.